Hello artists, and we are going to do the white glue assignment form, and this is about taking strips and making tubes out of them, and then we'll shape them into other shapes by folding or creasing. Just like when we did the first glue assignment, we're going to put a very thin line of glue near the edge. Notice it's not exactly on the edge. And then this we need to hold like we did the hot glue if you've done the hot glue videos. That might have been kind of a lot of glue, but hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. I'll let that dry a little bit more. And I have my strips cut into different lengths so we can do some different things, and that's going to pop apart. Okay, I'm going to concentrate on putting less glue on this one because that one's not going to hold. That was too much glue. That was a lesson right there. So now I'm going to overlap those, and I'm going to hold it. Okay. So another one. Remember, teeny tiny amount of glue. Like that. And hold it. Oops. Okay, I gotta hold that one longer because it's short. Okay, so that's part one. I've got them all glued into tubes, and a couple of them I'm going to leave as cylinders, but the rest I want to fold. I'm going to crease this one in 3 places to make a triangle. And I will crease this in 4 places to make a rectangle or a square or a rhombus, whatever it is kind of becoming. You could do folds a random number of times, just and I'll do another triangle. So just depending on how you crease them, we could also crease it towards the inside. That would make something interesting. Cool. Okay, now we're going to use small amounts of glue to glue these things, to glue things together. I'm going to use this one as my main one. I'm going to put some glue on there, and I'm going to glue this on the inside. You can do what you want. Now, I've got glue oozing, so be careful about the amount of glue you use. Remember, more takes longer to dry. And if your fingers are dirty, it leaves little splotches. And let's see. I'm gonna put this here. Use a smaller amount of glue. Whoops. And I'm going to squeeze that there. I need to hold that longer because that was more glue than I really wanted. And I want to use this as a support for something else. So it doesn't matter how you glue them together, but just that you can make the tubes, shape them into most of them into something else, and then create a freestanding sculpture. Something that is stable and stands on its own. Put a dot of glue there and glue those two pieces together. Oops. Okay, I'm going to put a little glue there, and I'm going to reattach this. I'll hold both of them this time. Okay, and let's put this one here. I'm going to glue here rather than on the thin edge because that's going to be easier. And it's going to grab better and the glue won't drip down the side. Okay, so there's my sculpture. So what I would like you to do to turn it in is label a paper white glue 3. Put your name. And I'm going to take a photo from this side. I'm going to turn it and take a photo from this side. Turn it and take a photo from this side. 3 views. Okay? So that's all there is to that. Thanks for watching and have fun.